Largemouth bass fishing is so fun. You can use live baits, you can use artificial baits. The largemouth bass is actually America's favorite game fish. You can find the largemouth bass in any one of the lower 48 states. Bass can be found in pretty much any freshwater lake or pond. And getting out here and experimenting with different techniques and different lures, that's the fun of it. That's the most enjoyable aspect of it. You can use crankbaits depending on the circumstances. If you're fishing areas like this where there's lots of vegetation and lots of cover, you can use your weedless baits. There's a lot of options, and while it may seem overwhelming at first, it's really not. It's just a matter of getting out there and experimenting. So when I fish, I like to use a silicone or rubberized landing net because it helps protect the slime coat on the fish. And the slime coat is going to help protect it from bacteria, parasites, and infection, so the fish stays healthy and can swim away to be caught another day. So if you want to catch a largemouth bass like this, head to the Places to Boat and Fish map at takemefishing.org and find a place to fish near you.